Hello and welcome back to CarFacts, and today with the beautiful Ferrari 250 GTO. Until the era of the Dino, at Ferrari the model designation always went by the displacement of one cylinder in cubic centimeters. So the lineup of the 250 has always had the 3-liter engine installed as a 12-cylinder. The GTO especially is the homologation model for the races of the GT cars. So the O in GTO therefore stands for the Italian word Omologata. Originally, Ferrari planned 100 cars. However, only 36 were built. Fortunately, all of these 36 cars are still preserved due to rebuilds. The most interesting part about the cars is their histories, some of which are very detailed, and I could spend hours reading the stories. Each one is different, and the chassis number 3589 GT in particular stands out. The story from the barn find to the Switzerland is just extremely exciting. Even though prototypes had previously been seen at Monza, for example, the car was presented in 1962 in Maranello as a part of the annual pre-season press conference. The 250 GTO was partly developed in the wind tunnel at the University of Pisa. The design simply served one purpose: to achieve as much top speed as possible and outrun the competition. The fact that it became so beautiful in the process was secondary for the moment. There were two series of the GTO. The Series 1 is probably the better known. It was based on the 250 GT Berlinetta short wheelbase. Series 2 got a completely new shape for the 1964 season. Most easily it's recognizable by the shape of the roof. In the Series 1, 3 cars were fitted with a larger engine with 4 liters of displacement and 90 more horsepower. That's why you sometimes hear about the 330 GTO. The easiest way to differentiate them is by the shape of their hoods. In 2018, a 250 GTO sold for an incredible $70 million. So it currently holds the title for the most expensive car in the world. But I don't think it's the most valuable car in the world, because there are still candidates like the Bugatti 57 SC Atlantic that could be more valuable. The 250 GTO is a racing car. So how does it actually compare with its performance? I know it doesn't really matter, but with its 297 horsepower it goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.6 seconds. In 1962 that was very impressive, so I think the development in the wind tunnel actually was very worth it. The most important reason for the price and the popularity of the car are probably the victories that Ferrari won with it. They won so many with it between 1962 and 1964 that it would be beyond the scope at this point. If you want more interesting car facts, please check out my channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.